Hi guys, how are you? Tomorrow, 6:30 p.m., we will be talking about designing and engineering, or if you want to say, designers and engineers. We will try to explain which one are the real differences between those two worlds that really seem sometimes to be so far away from each other's, and still at the same time they exactly have the same objectives, which means to make really good products. So we will analyze together what's going on between the drama or dilemma in relationships at work between an engineer and a designer. Don't forget, on my YouTube channel, Luciano Bove Car Designer, you will assist and discuss with me about this topic. Be there.